Texas is in good hands with a guy like Nick Boyd.
We've had explosive growth here in Texas. Businesses are designed to grow at a certain pace, and we've outpaced that.
Nick's had the foresight of seeing what was coming, and so we've opened new door shops and we've opened new locations. We just continue to grow to keep up with the demand and find new ways to help our customers out.
The territory I cover, I've got Dallas, Houston, Austin, San Antonio. I split my time between those 4 major markets right now. I've been the yard guy, I've been the AR clerk, I've been the coordinator, I've been the dispatcher. Along the way, I had the opportunity to do every position that I had to then manage as a store manager. So I can use my insight to coach them on how I did things and use that to give us direction on how they should do things.
Nick Boyd, he's brutally honest. No matter what position you hold, you can't bullshit Nick, and most people here respect that.
He's an open book, and if he disagrees with you, he'll tell you that he disagrees with you. And most of the time, even when he disagrees with me, he's right.
Nick is pretty quiet and reserved. Don't let that fool you. The wheel's always spinning, and he's always listening, and he has the right answers to the questions when you do have them.
Nick is laser being smart. He is one of the most intelligent people I've ever met. If you're gonna have a conversation with Nick, you better be prepared, because you better believe that he will be.
I've worked with Nick a long time. He taught me to be a man, and to care about what you do. Nick means a lot, to me, and right here, I promise.
One of the benefits of having an area manager like Nick is that he's done this. He's managed my store. He was one of the main reasons that it grew into the successes that we've had and continue to have today.
Everybody in the company says, Denton is huge, Denton's a $100 million store, Denton does a lot. But Denton started as a $4 million store. And that's the one thing with 84, every store has the opportunity to become a Denton, Texas.
Nick's taught me the importance of hard work and treating people right and not being too good for a job. He embodies that in the way he comes to work every day, and it just teaches a lot about 84 and the 84 culture.
My father was in the military. We moved around the country quite a bit. Never really felt like I had a home. Once I got out of college, I was somewhat lost, wasn't sure what I wanted to do with my career. Started with 84 and fell in love with it. Along the way, I really found a home not just in the Dallas area, but with 84 Lumber. It's become my home, it's become my family.
It is my honor.
My honor.
It's my honor.
It is my honor.
It's my honor to introduce to you.
To introduce
To introduce
To you.
the 2020.
2020.
2020.
The 2020.
2020.
The 2020.
The 2020 Area Manager of the Year.
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 Nick Boyd.
Nick Boyd.
Nick Boyd.
Nick Boyd.
Nick Boyd.
Congrats, Nick. Well deserved.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Nick.
Congrats, man. Congratulations, brother. We love you.